Let's be honest. Most of us find assembly language boring, frustrating, scary, as we have to write so many codes, so many numbers. Right, but wait, assembly is not boring. It's the mother tongue of computers. And if you know it, you understand how your laptop, phone, even AI really works. Welcome back to A Techie's Learning. First, let's get a glimpse to history. Long ago, in the 1940s and 50s, computers only understood machine code, just ones and zeros. It was painful to write programs this way. Then in 1947, Kathleen Booth created the first assembly language. Now, instead of writing zeros and ones, people could use simple words like ADD, MOV, JMP, etc. This made computers easy to program. Suddenly, programmers could talk to the CPU directly without writing endless zeros and ones. It was a revolution, and the bridge between humans and machines was born. And it was the first step that later gave us C, C++, Java, Python, all the languages we use today. Now what is assembly? Assembly language is the second lowest level of programming, just one step above machine code. While machine code is made of binary zeros and ones, assembly uses mnemonics, short text-based commands like MOV, add, JMP, or INT. These instructions map directly to CPU operations, making it extremely efficient, but also incredibly complex. Let's take a simple example. To add two numbers 5 and 3. In Python you write, x equals 5 plus 3, but in assembly, MOV R1, 5. Put 5 in a register R1. MOV R2, 3. Put 3 in another register. Add R1, R2. Add them. Yes, it is longer. But now you see step by step how the computer really thinks. And assembly is processor specific. Intel x86 code won't run on ARM without changes. Let me help you understand in a fun way. Think of assembly like a cooking recipe. Put rice in a pot. That's like MOV instruction. Add water. Cook for 10 minutes. Assembly is step-by-step instructions for your CPU. Instead of rice and water, you move numbers and data into registers, add them, or jump to another step. Now the question is, in the generation of AI, are people still learning assembly in 2025, and why? The answer is yes. People still learn assembly in 2025. Not everyone, but the ones who want to go deeper than Python, Java, into how computers really work. Now let's know, who learns assembly today? Computer science students, to understand OS, compilers, and hardware. Cybersecurity experts, malware analysis, reverse engineering, exploit development. Embedded engineers, IoT devices, drones, robotics, cars, medical machines. Game developers, performance coders, where speed is everything. Curious learners, who want to talk directly to the CPU. Benefits of learning assembly. It will help you in deep understanding of computers. Like you will learn how CPU, memory, and registers actually work. It will help you build strong foundation. AI can generate code, but it cannot replace humans who know the basics. Assembly makes you strong. You'll understand computers better than 99% of programmers. You'll have superpowers in debugging, optimization, and cybersecurity. You'll stand out in jobs for embedded systems, robotics, operating systems, and reverse engineering. Conclusion. So here's the truth. Learning assembly won't just make you a better programmer. It will make you a master of machines. Rock it in 2025. With AI everywhere, assembly is your secret weapon to stand out, think deeper, and never fear how a computer really works. You can control, optimize, secure, and understand machines better than 99% of programmers. So don't just use computers. Learn to command them, in their own mother tongue. If you want to learn more on assembly, you can find it online easily. Or if you want me to cover any topic to make you understand in easy or simple way, drop your comment below. Like, share and subscribe A Techie's Learning for more. Stay tuned.